Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is June the 24th and I'm using my new simple trading system. System has the Heikin-Ashi candles, these arrows called the super signal indicator, couple moving averages, and at the bottom down here we have some oscillating indicators. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, that's New York time, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, both Forex and the futures. And then of course I'm also looking at my daily trade plan. And once I decide I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. And the time right now is approximately 8 a.m. in the morning. Trading doesn't have to take 12 hours or whatever, just an hour or so. And if you want to continue trading, of course, you can trade many hours throughout the day, both for the New York session, which is the one I do, and of course Asian session and the new London session. So doesn't make any difference. You can trade all 3 sessions. Now this daily trade plan, it checks from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, it'll suggest look for bearish trades, bullish trades. Some will be preferred, and sometimes it's just not enough strength. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. You have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now, if you need more information about this daily trade plan, well, first off, there's more information right below this video in the description. And of course, if you need more information, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can run a check. Only did one Forex, the rest were the futures, the indexes, as they move a lot more and pay a lot more. So on this pound Aussie, I sold it. I teach exactly how to trade this way within the training video called How to Trade Pullbacks. Anyhow, and as you can clearly see, the market's going up, but this is just a pullback. And I'm just in and out grabbing a few pips and or ticks. Took the trade at this point just to grab some of those pips. Looks like 7 pips, and that paid out $55. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is S&P 500. Let's pull this up, see where I got in at. Now in this, if you remember from the daily trade plan, it did say look for bullish trades. So right here, these are the signals from the daily trade plan, super signal. So I got in the trade at this point knowing it's going to go up. And of course, I took the money divided by 5 as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says looking for 55. That's about as close as I can get. But anyhow, it's 55 and that paid out $275. Okay, moving on to crude oil. Now crude oil pays $10 for each tick, so very easy to see on this one. We're looking for 30. So let's drag and drop this up. Had the arrow, had all the signals, whether it's from the super signal, daily trade plan, candles, indicators down at the bottom. And by the way, you only need 4 triggers to take the trade. Trading cannot become any more simple and easy than this. You get the 4 triggers. Red we're selling, blue we're buying. So away it goes. And we're looking for 30. If I stayed in the trade, I'd be up right now 80 something. But I was happy with the 30. There it is right there. And that paid out $300. Okay, moving on to Dow Jones. Another one that pays $5 for each tick. So on this Dow Jones, Took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says we're looking for 63, so we're going to drag and drop this up. Very easy, even just by looking at the charts. Now, some of these I dropped it down to the 5 minutes because my trading was from just before 8 to after 8. So some of them was close to an hour. Like I mentioned earlier, you only need an hour. Just get in, get out, and go do your thing for the day. Whether it's golfing or shopping or whatever you feel like doing. So let's see now. What did I say? It was 63. So everything on the top and the bottom saying it's going to go up. Even the daily trade plan. And 63, there it is right there. I was happy with that. That paid out $315. So moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Drag and drop this up. This one did not move very much, but as you can tell, looking at the bottom, doesn't have to move very much. We had all the signals, top and bottom. Time to get in the trade. So away it went. Took the money, divided by $3.75. In other words, 3.75. Calculator says we're looking for 265, 263. That's as close as I can show, but it's 265. And that paid out $993. So moving on to the last trade I did, which is gold. Now on gold, pays $10 for each tick. So easy to see. We're looking for 132.3. So we'll, whatever it shows here, let's drag and drop this up. So either 132, 133, something like that. Everything top and bottom, according to the rules of my trading system, had all the triggers. Way it went for 132 or 3. Well, 131. Do it one more time. I think I'm going to drop it down to the 5 minutes, as this is not the easiest to get it right on. 132. There, I got it. 132. That paid a $1,323. So another great day of trading using my simple trading system. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks, which is what I'm normally aiming for, but it's usually a lot more. And today, grand total came to 552. And as you can see, all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $3,261. Another tool I highly recommend you get your hands on it. And remember, by the time you find success, you're going to get your hands on a lot of different systems, education, tools. This tool I'm talking about is the FibMaster tool. Once you get it, you just click on this tab. You would go from a swing pivot high, swing pivot low. There's your pullback. Hit entry number 2, and as general rule, if it hits any of the entries, once you know the market is either going up or down, on this one it's obviously going down, it'll usually hit target 2, 3, 4, or 5. And it did, all the way right through here. I would have been better getting out here, but this is where I saw it, so I just closed out the trade. Now this has a grand total of 10 targets. There it is right there. It'll help you with your entries, help you with your targets. The reason why it works so great is that millions of traders all over the world use and trade using Fibonacci. Now, if you have any questions or you need more information, well, just look right below this video. You'll get some information there, and if you need more information after that, well, just get in contact with me. Now, that's very easy to do. right below this video. Um, One way to get in contact with me is you can just pick up the phone and call me. And a very good tip is if you buy anything from anybody, make sure you can call them. Because if you can't call them, how can you get your questions answered? And you will be needing support to succeed. Without support, there's probably a very good chance you will fail. Once you buy from me, I do give support and lots of good tips and tricks. And all of this you're going to need to succeed. So don't spend months and months, if not years and years, doing things the wrong way. You have to do things the right way if you want to succeed at trading. As I mentioned, you can just pick up the phone and call me. And if you can't do that, well, just send me an email. Now, another way we can speak or you can get in contact with me is through Teams. So I made a Teams invite link. All you got to do is click on it. At that point, we'll have a Teams connection. We'll be able to talk live and can even do some screen sharing. Now you'll see in the description that there's 6 different packages. I do charge 250 USD for each package. Now obviously if you just want to buy one package, that'll be 250. Special offer 2 packages is 400 and 3 packages is $500. That represents a 33% discount. Now, if you're looking for a 50% discount, I do offer that also. You want to know what that is? Well, just send me an email. Now, of course, once I get your email, I'll have, your email address, your name. I'll be able to put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And then I'll be able to send you an email, as I mentioned, different packages that have a 50% discount. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video and this day of trading. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.